Hello everyone, this is Teacher Jeb and welcome to my channel. Kung isa kang Filipino aspiring teacher na gustong magtrabaho abroad, especially sa Thailand, then this video is for you. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan naman natin ang reality ng pagtuturo dito sa Thailand. Is it really worth it to work in Thailand as a teacher? Today, I'm going to give you the real talk, walang filter, walang sugarcoating. We will talk about the advantages and disadvantages of teaching in Thailand based on real experiences. First, bakit ba maraming Filipino teachers ang pumupunta sa Thailand? Number one reason, opportunity of course. Compared to the Philippines, mas maraming openings dito for English teachers. Kahit fresh graduate, may chance kang makakuha ng teaching job. Number two, location. Thailand is one of the most beautiful countries in Southeast Asia. Within few hours lang, you can visit places like Bangkok, Pattaya, Chiang Mai, Phuket. Sobrang daming tourist spots. So parang work and life balance or the teach and travel lifestyle. Number three, international exposure. Working abroad builds confidence. You meet teachers from different countries, learn different teaching styles, and you grow professionally. Pero, hindi lahat ng nakikita online ay yun talaga ang buong story. Let's talk about the advantages first. One of the biggest advantages of teaching in Thailand is work-life balance. Compared sa ibang countries, hindi masyadong stressful ang teaching environment. Usually, ang teaching hours mo is around 18 to 24 hours per week. Meaning, hindi ka buong araw nagtuturo. May time ka to relax, travel, and do side projects like YouTube, freelancing, or studying. Hindi ka masyadong burned out. Second advantage is the affordable cost of living, especially if you live outside Bangkok. Food here is very cheap. Transportation is also affordable. Mura lang ang gasolina, nasa 30 Thai baht per liter. If you have your own vehicle, mas makakatipid ka pa. Electricity, water bill, murang-mura din, including the house rent. Based on my own experience, nasa 3,000 Thai baht yung house rent ko monthly. Electric bill, nasa 1,000 Thai baht maximum per month. May aircon, ref, rice cooker, heater, at iba pang appliances. Naka-aircon ka na niyan every night, except for winter season, of course. Which means, pag winter season, medyo mas bababa yung electric bill mo. Another reason why teachers love Thailand is travel opportunities because Thailand is basically a tourist paradise. You can visit beautiful temples, night markets, mountains in the north, and beaches in the south. Long weekends here are perfect for quick trips. Kaya maraming teachers dito ang nagiging part-time travelers. Another advantage here are the friendly people. Thai are generally very kind and respectful. Students are usually polite. Culture here values respect, especially for educators. And lastly, the less academic pressure. Compared sa ibang countries, the academic pressure here can be lighter. Hindi masyadong heavy ang paperwork. Hindi rin ganun ka-competitive ang environment. So for many teachers, it feels less stressful. Ngayon naman, let's talk about the real challenges because this is the part na hindi madalas pinapakita sa social media. First, reality is the salary. Let's be honest, teaching salary in Thailand is not very high. If you are going to search online or kahit itanong mo kay ChatGPT, the typical salary ranges around 30,000 to 40,000 Thai baht. But sad to note, in reality, nasa 20,000 to 30,000 Thai baht lang talaga based on our own experiences. Especially pag nasa private or public school ka, depende na talaga sa offer ng school. Bihira kang makakita ng 30,000 Thai baht. Based sa mga nakausap kong teachers din dito sa Thailand, nasa 23, 24, 25,000 Thai baht per month yung salary nila. If you convert that to peso, it's decent but not super high. Pwera na lang kung international schools yung target mong applyan kasi nasa 40,000 Thai baht yung starting salary dyan. So friendly advice ko sa'yo, pag-isipan mo lang talagang mabuti kung work-life balance ang gusto mo, perfect yung Thailand sa'yo. Pero kung savings for the future yung target mo, medyo difficult ang mag-save ng money dito, especially kung mahilig ka talagang mag-travel. Kasi uulitin ko, hindi ganun kataas yung sahod dito except kung international school talaga yung makuha mong trabaho. Second challenge is the visa processing. This can sometimes be stressful. You have to deal with work permits, visa extension, immigration reports. Sometimes schools help, but sometimes they don't. So there are moments na medyo stressful lang din talaga. Although yung experience ko naman is so far so good kasi supportive yung school na napasukan ko. That's why I highly recommend na mag-research ka talaga muna tungkol sa school, and as much as possible, mas maigi yung may kakilala ka na tatanungin mo kung kumusta ang school na to in terms of salary, in terms of support. Much better talaga yon. Another challenge is the language barrier. Not all Thai people speak English. Even some teachers and school staff speak limited English. So communication can sometimes be difficult, especially when dealing with documents, contracts, or instructions. Next are the classroom challenges. Teaching here can also be challenging. Some students have very low English levels, so you need to be creative with your lessons. Sometimes students are very playful or sometimes noisy, especially the lower years. And classroom management can test your patience, pero manageable lang naman din talaga. Another reality is job security. Most teaching contracts are only 1 year, meaning every year there is always uncertainty. You might stay or you might need to find another school. So it's not always stable long term. And of course, homesickness. Living abroad is exciting, but there are moments when you miss your family, Filipino food, your friends, special occasions back home, especially during holidays. So now, let's answer the big question. Is it worth it to teach in Thailand? My honest answer, it depends on your goals. If your goal is to become rich quickly, Thailand may not be the best option. But if your goal is to experience working abroad, travel opportunities, personal growth, work-life balance, then Thailand can be a very good starting point. So, that's the real talk about teaching in Thailand. No filter, just pure honesty. If you are planning to teach here, remember, every experience is different. But one thing is for sure, teaching abroad will teach you more than just the lessons inside the classroom. It will teach you about life. So that's it. Kung may mga questions ka pa, feel free to ask and comment down below. At kung nakatulong sa'yo ang video na ito, baka pwede namang makisuyo ng isang like and subscribe ka na din para updated sa mga latest videos. You can also suggest kung ano yung mga topic na gusto mong gawan ko ng video. Thank you so much for watching!